Hi viewers, let's solve this problem. The number 1621 was subtracted from 6244 in base x. If the result was 4323, find x. So we don't know what x is, so we have to find x. How do we go about this? There are two steps to this. First, you are going to convert to decimal. So step 1, convert to decimal. So let's start with this. So this is 1621. Remember, it's in base x. All these numbers are in base x. We don't know what x is. So this is equal to, normally you pick this and multiply by this. Okay, before that, let's write, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2. Don't do this in your exam, so this is 3. That will become more simpler. If you're having 4 digits, you subtract 1 and use it as a power. If you have 5 digits, subtract 1. Just be subtracting 1 from the number of digits you have here. Now we're having 4 digits here, so if you subtract 1, you have 3. It means the first power of this x will be 3. We don't want to do this, so that it's not look very rough. So this is 1 times, okay, 1 times x raised to power 3 plus 6 times x raised to power 2 plus 2 times x raised to power 1 plus 1 times x raised to power 0. So this is equal to 1 times x cubed is x cubed plus 6 times x squared, 6x squared plus 2 times x raised to power 1 is 2x plus anything raised to power 0 is 1. So this is 1. So 1 times 1 is 1. So we have converted this over to the second number. Okay, we have 6244 base x. So this is equal to, remember, it's 6 times x. There are 4 digits here, so when you subtract 1 is raised to power 3. So we'll be having 6x here. I have to do it all at once now. 6x raised to power 3 plus 2x raised to power 2. I hope you understand. I don't want to go through this long process again. 4x raised to power, okay, it's just 1, so I don't need to write it, plus this will be 4 times this x raised to power 0, so it will be 4 times 1. So I'll have 4 here. So the next number we're having here is 4323. So this is equivalent to, remember, it's in base x. This is 4x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x plus 3. So from here, we'll go on to the next step. So step 2, what are we to do in step 2? We are to set up the equation. So to set up the equation, remember, this number was subtracted from this. So the equation will be looking like this. 6244 minus this. Remember, it's in base x. 1621 base x is equal to, the result is this, 4323 x. Alright, so I'm going to write this out here. Wherever I see this, I'll replace it by this. Where I see this, I'll replace it by this. Where I see this, I'll replace it by this. So let me go ahead and substitute them. So I'll be having 6x cubed plus 2x squared plus 4x plus 4 minus x cubed plus 6x squared plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 4x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x plus 3. So beautiful. All right, so let's distribute this minus sign to every term in this bracket because it will be affected since we are multiplying it. So this will be 6x cubed plus 2x squared plus 4x plus 4 minus x cubed minus 6x squared minus 2x minus 1 is equal to the same result, 3x squared plus 2x plus 3. All right, so from here we collect like terms. So I'll bring all these terms here to this other side and equate this to 0. Okay, so this will be 6x cubed, another, okay, this will be minus x cubed minus, when this one comes to this other side, become minus 4x cubed I'm done with all the x cubes. So to x squared now, we're having plus 2x squared minus 6x squared minus 3x squared. This one here. I'm done with that. Over to x, 4x minus 2x minus 2x. Okay, that's all. Then over to the constant, the one without a variable, plus 4 minus 1 minus 3. Then we equate it to 0. Wow, it's getting more beautiful. Okay, so 6x raised to the power 3 minus, this is 1x raised to the power 3, will give you 5x raised to the power 3. 5x raised to the power 3 minus 4x raised to the power 3 will give you just x raised to the power 3. We are done with this now. Over to x raised to the power 2. Okay, 2x raised to the power 2 minus 6x raised to the power 2 will give you minus 4x raised to the power 2. Minus 4x raised to the power 2 minus 3x raised to the power 2 give you minus 7x raised to the power 2. Okay, so this is 4x minus 2x will give you 2x. Then 2x minus 2x is 0. So the whole of this is 0. I don't want to include it. So I'll skip this now. It has cancelled out. So I'm left with this. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 0. Everything is gone. So this is plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. And of course, this is equivalent to this. The same as this. Good. Okay. So from here, we're going to factor out x squared. X squared is common between these two terms here. So I have x squared here. So x is power 3 divided by x squared is just x minus 7 equal to 0. So from here, x squared is equal to 0 or x minus 7 is equal to 0. This is not valid. X squared equal to 0 is not valid. It's not valid. Yes, because if you fix a number here, any real number here, it cannot give you 0. So we'll trash out x squared equal to 0. So we'll go with this. So x minus 7 equal to 0. So from here, we'll make x is the result formula. X is equal to 7. This is the final result. So it means option A is correct.